So I'm just going to sit in one of the original massage chairs, 1971 model from Inada, Japan. G'day, it's Carney from Relax for Life Massage Chairs. We're here at the Inada Factory in Dyson, Japan. We're in their museum where we've got the history of their massage chairs. Come with me, I'm going to take you tour around. So we've got the first chair, well not their first chair, but 1971. They actually made their first massage chair in 1962. This is a 1971 model. I sat in it earlier. Gave actually a really great massage. So you can see here that the up and down is controlled by the wheel here, which drives the mechanism up here, up and down you can see, and then they massage you. And then we move on to the 1974 model. A little bit more advanced, you can actually spin the rollers around like this, sideways, and you can have a different style of massage. Then we've come up to 1989, 1991, 1998, and one of their biggest sellers was in the year 2000, which was the I1. These guys were producing 10,000 chairs of these a month, year in, year out, so it was a very popular model. And then we come through to 2003, 2005. Now we move on to another really cool model, which was the Robo Stick. So this was pretty cool. When you turn the power on, you lift the little area, and then you've got a robot that controls it. So what this does, it controls the mechanism to move up and down, and then also when you pull it out, that controls the depth control, so the 3D action of the massage chair. So that was a big hit and a big change in Inada's massage chair history. It was a really big seller for them and another leap forward in that engineering. Then this is the Inada Sonyo. So we were selling this back, it was released in 2007. We were selling this in about 2010 in Australia. We move on to the Inada Duet. We were also selling this in Australia was released in 2000, I think it was actually released in 2012. This is the G Medical here, which was 2011. This one was released after that. So this one was the first real dual mech massage chair in the market. So we had a massage mech up the top and a massage mech down the bottom. We also sold a lot of these around worldwide. Now you can have a quick look here. This was actually out of the Inada 3S massage chairs, which we actually sold that, and the 3S Flex back in around 2012 to 2014. So you can see we've got intensity control there, and we've got the kneading. And then we've got another basic massage mat, which was actually in the Calico chair over there, which was only sold in China, so we didn't have this in our market. So the history this company has is amazing, and it's really deep and rich, and they're very proud of their heritage. You'll see on the wall here we've got the founder, Nishimu Inada, up on the wall here, who was responsible for starting this company and become a bit of a legend in the massage chair industry. He's since stepped down, and his son Soshu Inada has actually taken over the business and is driving the industry in a different direction with new models and new innovations, and we look forward to working with them in the not too distant future. We have some more models in here, so we've got a relaxing chair back there, which is just sound and music. We have some models that were just for the Japanese market, and we've got the beautiful Cocoon massage chair here also. So I'm just going to sit in one of the original massage chairs, 1971 model from Inada, Japan. So this is how they sold them back in the day. They're not allowed to sell them like this anymore with the exposed massage mechanisms. But these massage chairs were mainly sold were put in bathhouses for people to relax after going to the onsens. They could have a massage and restore and recover themselves. The massage on this actually in the shoulder section is really cool. So we've got it on at the moment, and we can drive the rollers up and down just by spinning this wheel. So you'll see they come up, and it's quite a deep massage in this area, and you can control it with the wheel. So if you've got sore neck and shoulders, this would have been a cracking massage chair. So it's so cool to be sitting in this massage chair with such a big history, sitting here in Japan and giving it a test drive for myself. Inada truly are pioneers in the massage chair industry, still making their massage chairs in Japan to this day, and are very proud of that. And us at Relax for Life are very proud to present Inada massage chairs to you guys. We bought our first Inada massage chairs into Australia back in around 2011. So we've got a very good relationship with these massage chairs and this company. We know how good their quality is, how long their massage mechanisms last for. So if you're in the market for a real Japanese massage chair, come and see us at Relax for Life. We'll help you out, and we'll get you into perfect Japanese made massage chair.